Imagine this, your worship team just got finished with the most amazing worship set. Your worship leader prays, everyone sits down, and then nothing. Finally, the pastor fumbles to the stage, but he's got to gather all his stuff and get his stand ready and pull out his Bible and turn to the right passage, and we all awkwardly sit there staring at him for about 60 seconds. You need a sermon bumper to help with your transition. Stick around and I'll show you how anyone can make one. Hey guys, I'm Curtis Riley from The Real Rileys. We are real people with real problems. And we're one family with multiple channels, so make sure to check out our other channels. We've got one on faith, on marriage, online business, and how-tos. Just go to therealrileys.com. But the purpose of this channel is to talk about real church, real worship, and real preaching. And we also offer online courses, coaching, church consultations, and more. And hey, will you take 1 second and like this video and subscribe to our channel? It actually supports us a lot and helps us keep making content. And just for stopping by, we wanted to hook you up with a free mini course and PDF called the Sermon Outline Guide. It'll make sure that you never get stuck writing your sermon again. Just check the description below or go to therealrileys.com to get yours. Now let's get into it. In order to create your own sermon bumper video, you're going to need 3 things: a logo, a video, and a radio. Kinda. Number 1, you're gonna need a logo. I'm gonna show you exactly how you can make your own logo really easy. But a really easy shortcut to that is checking out Ministry Pass. They design sermon logos, videos, and outlines for series to save you time and help you focus on pastoring. And if you use our link below in the description, you can get a free 14-day trial to try it out for yourself. Now, let's just say we wanted to do a sermon series on anger. The first thing we need is an image of, let's say, something that represents anger, so an angry person. Just make sure that you have the rights to whatever image you use. And then you've got to think of a title. Something that's really simple, if we're talking about anger, could be mad. And then maybe you want to add kind of a subtitle, like controlling your anger, something that expands on it just a little bit more. Hey, can I stop you right there? And if this video has been helpful for you, will you like it and subscribe to our channel? That helps YouTube know that you enjoy it, and it helps us to make more content. Number 2, you need a video. You need some type of program so that you can edit videos. Now, if you have a Mac, you can use iMovie and it's totally free. And if you don't have a Mac, I guess we can still be friends. Just kidding, but PC does have free programs that you can use as well. I'll put some options in the description below. So I would start off by taking a screenshot or saving an image of just the background. Then you want the background and a picture. Then go ahead and add the title and get another picture with the subtitle. Now, if your church has a good logo, you can throw that in at the start as well. But essentially you want to use an effect called Ken Burns, which basically gives a little bit of motion to your images, and it makes your sermon bumper a little more interesting. And hey, if you don't know where to begin on your sermon, I want to encourage you to check out our course, The Power Preaching Plan. It'll make sure that you never get stuck writing your sermons again, and I'll take you through a real example of how to outline and organize any sermon. And number 3, you need some radio, aka some music. Now, most programs will have some free audio or music that you can use, or you can check out something like Soundstripe, and I'll put our affiliate link below. You can also just Google royalty-free music. Go ahead and fade your music in and fade your music out, and you are done. Export that bad boy and let's check it out. Now it's time to get real. Will you comment below what sermon series you've been thinking about making a logo or a video for? And I want to encourage you to continue the conversation in one of our online communities. You can hang out with like-minded people, be encouraged, ask questions, and your question might even be answered in the next live Q&A. Make sure to be on the lookout for some of our next videos, like which Bible translation should I use? Or you could check out some of our other current videos as well. And if you want to branch off a little bit, check out one of our other channels where you could learn how to study the Bible or play the guitar. Hey, I hope this video was helpful for you and that you were able to walk away with a real sermon bumper video. But until next time, keep it real.